Introduction to CorelDRAW X7. An overview of the CorelDRAW X7 interface and its main features. Basic shapes and drawing tools. Learn how to create basic shapes like rectangles, circles, and polygons using drawing tools. Working with text, explore how to add and format text, including adjusting font styles, sizes, and alignment. Object manipulation and transformation. Discover how to resize, rotate, flip, and skew objects, as well as arranging them in layers. Color management. Understand how to select, apply, and customize colors using the color palette and swatches. Working with layers. Learn how to organize and manage objects using layers for better control over your designs. Applying effects and filters. Explore various effects and filters to enhance your designs, such as blurring, shading, and distortion. Creating vector illustrations. Learn advanced techniques for creating vector illustrations, including Bezier curves and node editing. Importing and exporting files. Understand how to import images and files into CorelDRAW X7 and export your designs in different formats. Introduction to print and web design principles. Gain insights into design principles for print and web, including resolution, color modes, and file formats.